this steak. So first, we need to get salt. We have to put salt on steak, but don't put too much, because if you put too much, it's gonna be too salty, and which is bad. Well, I have to do this with one hand. So we have this, which we need to turn on the stove. Yes, sir. We got our steak. We get this. We get this. Yes, we got this. We have to wait up around I set the timer. We have to wait around 1 minute and 30 seconds for medium rare. 2 minutes is for very medium rare, which is not. Hey, see, the butter has melted. So we put the steak in. We put it in, and we set the timer. Yes, we set the timer. Put it in. Just let it be. Hey, look at this. It's getting a nice crust under this, which is good. We need to make this a little, flattening out. It's pretty good. Hey, look, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. How do I do this with one hand? Wait. So as you can see, I'm doing something, which is good. Which is good. Wow. Wait. Harry. Whoa. See, now it's like this. I see the timer. The timer at 2 seconds. Okay. Now flip the stick. Start it again. 30 seconds. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, the steak.
ไฟได้มานิดนึงครับผ่อนไฟด้วย
ผ่อนไฟ
หน่อยเดี๋ยวผ่อนหมดแล้วเดี๋ยวปิดโอเค
See, the steak is now, it has a good crust on it, which is good. And yeah, gotta put this. Oh, we gotta wait. Boy, hey, we gotta wait. I think it's rare. I don't really like rare. I like medium rare, but it is pretty cool. Right. Hey guys, we have the steak that I made with this. It's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna cut open. Let's see the results. So guys, I made medium rare steak. No clickbait. You see this? And this is medium rare. I made a really nice crust. And look. Really nice crust. You can hear the sound. This is pretty good. Now we got the medium rare steak. I'm gonna try the steak, okay? It's actually pretty good. Alright. This is like rare, but it's pretty good. Guys, this is the results. Look at these medium rare. I made very epic. Yes. I think there's too much oil in here. I don't really care. I'm also making French fries because why not? And yeah, that's it. Bye. Bye bye.